Starting in the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will talk about the Google Classrooms, and I will tell you that how we can assign different work and material to our student, and how we assign them, and how we can check, and how we can give grades to our students. So for example, I will select one class. This is my work. This is my own class, and there are four options: stream, classwork, people, and grades. First, I will tell you about the classwork. In classwork, this is the classwork that we have already shared. This is our personal classroom for different materials. First, I will go to create option. In this option, we have assignments, we have quiz assignments, we have questions, material, reuse post, and topic. For material and reuse post, you already know about it, that how we can create the material on Google Classroom. This is very easy. Now, the important thing is how to assign work to our student and check it. So this is the assignment. You can give the quiz assignment as well, and you can give some assignments like papers. So I will click on that. So this screen will come in front of you. So now, for example, that is title is test 1. Instruction, whatever you can give: solve all the question, like whatever you want to suggest, or whatever you want to give instruction, you can write here. Now next process is very important. If you have any paper that you have already made it, and you want to share PDF file with your students, so then you can simply add from your file. Like in my file, if is it in my PC, so then I can select from my personal computer, and then I can share it. So I have different assignment. uh, for example, I want to give this assignment to my students, grade 8 SST. So just insert this one, and it's downloaded here. So I can say uh, in my screen as well. So after that, what you are going to do, there is the option student can view file. So just click on that. Student can edit file and make copy for each student. So these two options are there. Make a copy for each student, so because it's a PDF file, so students, if they want to add, so then I can share Word file as well, and then suggest students to add. Because if I give this instruction to my students, that student can edit this file, so then student can write answer accordingly, so I can mark it. So this portion is finished. Now this setting is finished, is done. Now you want to select class. For example, this is a class. Work A is a class. You can select class accordingly, like 1 2 3 4, whatever you have. Select the class, then all students. If you want to send all student, or if you want to send one student, just click here. I want because for example, I have only one student, so I want to share with my student. Points, for example, 40 marks test, 50 marks test, 20 marks test, 10 marks, so I can share it. It's about 10 marks. Due date, so I can send to uh, all of them, and I want to I want this test after 1 day or 2 day, whatever. I can select that and they can send me. And time is also there. Time is optional. If you want to give 3 hours, if you want to give 4 hours, whatever you want to give, you can select here. So anything you can want. This is done. Topic like computer science, geography of Pakistan, SST, whatever. I want SST. Even I can create my topic SST uh, unit 11, for example, and I can write the name as well, whatever I can. So rubrics are also there. If I want to create rubrics, then it's okay. If I do not want to add any rubric, it is also okay. So this setting is finished. Now this all work is finished. Now everything is clear. Now we are going to assign our student. So for assignment, you can schedule it, and even you can discard post as well. Discard this one if you do not want to assign. But now we are going to assign this to our students. Now it's assigning. It will take some time, and then it will assign. Now the first portion is done. So the next portion is, I will make a separate video for specifically for the student as well, and we can share with the students as well that how they can submit to work to you again. And then you can after returning, you can check it, because I have select my file. um, they can edit it. So you can mark, even open your file and you can mark this, and you can give grades as well, and then you can check grades. So uh, it's finished from until here to assign the work. And in my next video I will tell you that how we can check and how the students will return back to you. Okay, thank you very much.